Hello friends, here I am Kirandeep Garg, presents you the fifth module, basically module E of practices and principles and practices of banking. As we know that last year in May 2019, IIFB introduced one new module, which is module E, and module E is based on banking ethics. Most of the students have not latest edition of the book, so they are facing lot of problem regarding this module, as in the exam 20 to 25% basically means 20 questions from this module. So for all of you must know the content of this module and how we can prepare for this module. So let's start. Here I am Kirandeep Garg. From UGM Shiksha Kendra, and all handwritten notes chapter wise available in our Telegram group, and for more notes you can mail on our email ID ugem2493@gmail.com. So in this lecture basically we can discuss the syllabus of the module E. As we know that in the module E basically we have 5 chapters starting from chapter 5 to 49. So first of all discuss chapter 45, basically based on ethics, business ethics and banking. Chapter 46 based on ethics at individual level. Chapter 47 based on ethical dimension, basically regarding employees. In 46 at individual level, and in 47th employees, and in chapter 48 we have to discuss regarding work ethic and workplace, basically at workplace. And in the chapter 49th banking ethics, basically changing dynamics, changing dynamics. These are the 5 chapters, very easy chapters, and we can cover each chapter in 2 lectures. So this is the syllabus of module E. That's why basically many students don't know how many chapters are in the module E and what are the names of these chapters. That's why I firstly start module E, and this is the discussion of syllabus. So in the coming lecture we complete each chapter in 2 lectures, and after that 1 lecture for MCQs of that topic. So basically in 2 to 3 lectures we can cover each chapter, and duration of lecture is maximum 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So this is basically a discussion of syllabus, and thank you.